Hello friends, welcome to Price Action with Prashant. I'm Dr. Prashant Parate. Today's video is going to be very interesting. This is new development. I have developed this tool and name for this tool is set tool. Set means SET, which stands for stop loss, entry and target. I have developed this tool so that I can automate my trading with manual analysis. So I will analyze with my method, but I can place orders even when I am not on the screen. It is very helpful to manage emotions, to control emotions. Large number of traders fail because they are not able to emotionally control their actions. Most of the times, traders can analyze very well, they know where to enter, but as they are sitting in front of the screen, they feel urged to take a trade and they enter at wrong levels and then they exit at wrong levels. So this is very common and it is one of the most common mistake which a trader makes. Now I have tried to resolve that issue. I'll show you how. First, we'll go to analysis part and discuss about that. This is a chart of Bank Nifty and this is my screener. In this screener, there are different sections. You can see long signal, short signal, continue bull signals, continue bear signals, LL long signal, LL short signal. This gives different entry patterns. Long signal comes when there is bullish change. Now in this screener we can see this is the candle on which bullish change signal has appeared for Bank Nifty, CNX Finance and others. Date for this signal is 22nd August 2023. Time is 9:15 candle close. 9:15 candle close means 10:30. I have alerts for this indicator and those alerts come to my Telegram group. If you see, this is 22nd August and you can see time 22nd August 2023 at 10:30 am. Within 9 seconds, there was alert that Bank Nifty's 75-minute chart has minor bullish change. This is minor bullish change formed. It is first bullish sign and we can buy retracement or exit shorts as per market condition. So this is a level where if we are short, then we must exit. And if we have not bought and market condition allows, then we can buy. The buy can be on retracement level or it can be direct buy at market on same candle close. So there are different methods for that. Alert for CNX Finance 75 minute as well as alert for Bank Nifty 75 minutes. Both have triggered at same time. When this candle forms at 10:30, I will know that there is a change in Bank Nifty and CNX Finance. If I am short, I will exit. If I have not taken position and if I feel that this is a consolidation, probable accumulation, from here I feel that prices will go up, then I can take a long entry. I have shown you this screener with this indicator as well. This is tape reading tool. In this, I have these levels. So this is 43,957. This is a level where I want to buy. This is a level where I want to keep my stop loss. And this is 10:30 candle close. Even though I see the screener on my laptop or on my mobile in trading view, I will not be able to take entry and keep a stop loss. Stop loss for this trade is on closing basis. So I prefer to keep stop loss on 75-minute closing basis. Even if I place a entry level at this, I will not be able to watch stop loss on closing basis because I may get busy, I may be in surgery or I may get busy somewhere else. For that reason, I have developed set tool. Now here we have this bullish change. There is green candle and this is my buy signal. I'll buy on retracement. I'll keep my target at this level and this level. So these are my two targets. Let us calculate risk reward for this trade. So if I keep stop loss at this level and keep my target somewhere here. Risk to reward is 2.24, which is very much acceptable, and at this level risk to reward is 3.28, which is good. So if I want to take this trade and place my entry at this level and keep my target at this level, what can I do? I have set tool. I can calculate quantity from here itself using this tool, or I can use set tool. So this is set tool. Here I have multiple options. There are different fields for input. This field is tradable instrument type. Then we have levels instrument type. Tradable instrument type means what do I want to trade. There are multiple choices here. I can trade in index options, I can trade in index futures. Stock options can be traded, but I avoid this because market order placement is difficult in stocks. But stock futures can be traded. Similarly, commodity options, commodity futures can be traded, and synthetic future can be traded. So synthetic future can be traded only in index. All options can be traded only in index because market order placement in index options is easy. Now there are different levels instrument. In levels instrument there is index, index future, index option, commodity index future, and so on. So all these options are available. What does this mean? Levels instrument means I am analyzing on these things. So I can analyze on index and I can trade index option. If I have selected index future, then after analysis on index I can trade index futures. So this way it will work. I can analyze commodity future, I can use levels of commodity future, but I can trade index option. That is also possible. So any combination permutation is possible. Now so I have decided that I want to trade on index option using levels of index. What will I do? I will select instrument, that is index, and then I will select bank nifty. I want to trade in bank nifty, and here also tradable instrument will be bank nifty, but as there is option, index option, it will show multiple choices. I can select any expiry and any strike. Now instead of index option, suppose I want to trade in index future, everything will change. Again I will to select everything. I want to trade index future in using index. I will use these things again, and here you can see there will be a change. Instead of option chain, it will show index. So I can trade in November, December, or January expiry. All these are available, and here we get the prices. So here I have price of spot and price of future. Both are visible. Now I have this candle time frame. There are multiple choices available: 1, 3, 5 minute, 15, 25, 75, and so on. As my analysis is on 75-minute time frame, I will use 75. If I use 75 and if I use stop loss, in that case my stop loss will be on closing basis. If I use hard stop, in that case stop loss will be hard stop. That means if price crosses that level, it will exit. Now let me see the levels again. It is 43,957 as my entry. So suppose I want to enter at 43,957 or 43,960, and I want to risk 20,000 rupees. So if I want to risk 20,000 rupees, how much quantity should I take? This tool will calculate that quantity as well. Let me show you. Stop loss is below this level, 43,672. So suppose I want to enter 43,670. This is my stop loss. Using this stop loss and my risk amount is 20,000, position size will be 60 quantity. That means 4 lots. So I can use 4 lots. And if I want to use hard stop, what is meaning of hard stop? If price crosses that level, then it will exit the trade. Suppose here I want to take hard stop as 43,500. You can see position size has changed to 30 because my stop loss is on crossing basis which is lower than this. If it is same 43,670, then position size is 60. If I keep this as 43,690, then there is error. Hard stop cannot be greater than stop loss when going long. So I have to keep my hard stop below this stop loss level. Suppose I keep this 43,600, then I can trade with 3 lots. All these calculations are automatically done and my risk amount will be maximum of 20,000. Now I can enter target or I can leave it alone. I can also exit at partial quantity. So if I keep target and partial target, let us see, partial exit target 44,600, 44,890 is full target. So target is 44,890, partial target is 44,600 and exit partial quantity will be, if I want to exit 15, here 15 quantity will be exited and final target remaining quantity will be exited. I can change this quantity to 30 as well, and if I exit with 30 quantity, remaining target when hits at this level, remaining 50 quantity will be exited. If I enter wrong quantity which is not multiple of lot size, then partial quantity should be multiple of lot size is the message shown. So I have to enter this properly. And then if I click on start, this system will start. It shows all positions are exited. This is a message because either current price is beyond this entry level or stop loss level. If we see entry 43,960, currently bank nifty is 43,318. So stop loss is already hit. Therefore, this shows all positions are exited. It will not initiate any trade. If my current price is between these two levels of entry and stop loss, and first stop loss is hit, then this message will come, all position exited but trade will not execute. If my partial target is done before coming to entry level, same message will come, all position exited, but it will not execute any trade. If price comes to entry level before touching target or before touching stop loss, only then trade will initiate. So this is very advantageous for me. If target is done, then there is no point in coming and taking same trade again. So it will initiate a trade only if entry is triggered before stop loss or before target. Now let us see that chart. Here I had analyzed and I came to know from my alert that there is bullish change and I want to buy at this level. So I can use my set tool, and when price comes to that level without triggering my stop loss or target. This is first candle of the day, so we may get entry on same day. And here three candles have formed, and in last candle of the day I am getting entry. So I don't need to keep watching. Even on last candle if it takes entry, I am fine. And on next day I can again start the set tool and see. So here after entry prices went and within 2 days target was achieved. So when there is gap up, it will create partial exit, and price touches this final target, it will exit all the quantities. This is how set tool will work. I don't need to keep watching what is happening. What I need to do is I need to open set tool in morning, place all the orders and leave it. It will take care of its own. Now there are these two things, position already taken. This is not a tool which will work 24 hours and it logs out at 12 midnight. So next day we have to start this again. As we have taken entry using set tool, next day we have to click on entry by set. First we have to enter all this information and then enter by set. Position is already taken by set. So all this information will come automatically and I can start it and then trade will continue. If I want to change something, I can edit this criterias and I can modify. So after modification, it will change again. If I had taken trade manually without use of set tool, even that trade can be managed. I have to click on position already taken manually and fill all the information, my stop loss, my target and all those things, and then start the tool. It will manage my trade automatically. Now let me show you some live trade examples. This will be just for demonstration of how this instrument works, and I will place orders randomly without any logic just to fill the order. Right now commodity market is active, so we can use commodity futures. Levels instrument will be silver. So if I type silver, it will come there, and I can use any expiry which I want. Silver micro is cheapest to show because it is 1 rupee movement. So currently prices are around 72,150, 142. If I want to use candle time frame of 1 minute, and let me see the chart. This is 15-minute chart. Suppose I feel that market will go up without coming down, and I want to buy when price goes above this candle. Suppose this is my entry, this is my stop loss. So if we try to take this trade, it will take lot of time. Instead, what I will do, first I will demonstrate a stop loss. If stop loss is hit first, what happens? So I will keep my stop loss at 72,105, which has more chance of hitting before giving us entry. I'll keep my entry at higher level around 72,260, so that it does not take entry before stop loss. I want the stop loss to hit before entry. Here I'll place 1 minute. Entry is 72,260 is entry level. Risk amount, suppose I want to take risk of 100 rupees. This is for carry overnight. This is end time. If I enter end time, then the trade will end at that time. If I enter 21:35, and if there is no entry triggered before this time, it will not take any trade. Okay, so this is useful. If entry has been triggered, then at this time trade will exit. If stop loss or target is not hit, it will close the trade. If I keep it carry overnight, let us see, entry is 72,260, and I want to keep stop loss at 72,105. 72,105 is my stop loss. Position size is 0 because my risk is 100 rupees, and here there is difference of 155. So if I keep risk of 200 rupees, one lot can be traded, and I don't want to add any hard stop. Just let us start this. If I start this, price is around 72,124. It may take some time before either entry or stop loss is triggered, though I have tried to keep it tight. Let me make it even tighter. 72,115 is my stop loss, and I will modify my stop loss. Price is moving higher towards my entry level. If it comes below this, it will hit the stop loss and it will not take any trade. Let me show you my account here. If I show you, there is no position active right now. Now it is 140. Let us see. I'll keep my stop loss to 35 and modify. You can see running stop loss is 72,135. Position is not, partial exit is not added, entry is not taken till now. Current prices are 72,140. Now here stop loss has hit. You can see there is a message that all positions exited. All position exited means entry is not taken, and it has not created any position. It will be null and void now. This trade will not be taken. So it ends here. And if my stop loss is hit before entry, I don't need to worry about it. It has not taken any trade. After this, I need to close this tool and start it again if I want to take another trade. We can run multiple instances of this tool and it can take multiple different types of trades. So for silver micro, I am using this instance. If I want to take one more trade, I'll have to open the tool again. In another window, it will open and we can take a trade. Let me show you. So here you can see this is one instance. This is second instance. I have opened one more instance. Here I can again place orders. Commodity future, commodity future. Levels instrument will be silver micro, expiry November, silver micro, November. And then again we'll choose 1 minute time frame. Here price is around 72,087. Suppose I want to go short. What I will do? Entry will be 72,070. Risk amount, suppose I want to take risk of 600 rupees. And this is just for demonstration purpose. Stop loss will be 72,006 72,600. So if I keep my stop loss at 530 points away, it will create position size of one quantity. If suppose instead of 72,600 I keep it as 72,100, stop loss is just 30 rupees and I can take position with 20 quantity. It will take 20 quantities, but I don't want to take big size. I want to just show you how it works, and my position size will be 1 here. My stop loss is decided, and target, I have not decided any target till now, so I will keep it open and let us start this. So if price falls below 72,070, then it will initiate a trade. But as prices are higher and we want to take entry for demonstration purpose, I'll make it 72,100. And if price falls below this level, it will create a trade. Now it is at 72,128. So what I will do is I'll take trade if it touches 72,120, and if we want to change this stop loss so that we can see the changes happening, I'll show you that way. Now price is already at 72,120 and it will create a trade. Now actually price is already below this level when we entered and place the order. When it goes up, only then it will execute the trade. Right now prices are below our entry level, so if price touches that entry level, only then it will create a trade, otherwise it will not create any trade. So if prices touch 72,120, it will create short position. Stop loss for that will be 72,660. We can see there is no position till now. Silver is moving very slowly. It is below 100 again. So what I will do is I will keep it to 72,109 and modify the order. It came to 107. It is yet to cross 109. Now you can see there is 72,110 and our short entry has been created at market. It was created at 72,108. Let us see our broker terminal. We can see same order 72,108. It is executed at this level. Last traded price is at 72 125, and it is showing us profit and loss of 17 rupees. So this is how it will initiate a trade. Now suppose I want to exit this trade, I can exit all, and it will exit my position from here. Or I can go to broker terminal and exit and close this trade, close this terminal. That is also possible. Now suppose I want to place a target of 72,050, and I want to modify my stop loss from 662. Suppose I want to keep it to 260 or maybe 160. We'll just see what happens. Either it will hit the stop loss or it will hit the target. Now here we can see it shows quantity of 10 plus. Quantity is changing because we are changing stop loss, but it will not create new position unless we click on this increase position. If I click on modify, it will just modify my existing trade. It will exit one lot, it will not exit 10 lots. Okay, so I will modify, and let us see if I hit the target or if it hits my stop loss. Right now trade is in losses. If it goes to 160, it will exit. If it goes to 50 rupees, it will exit. So anyways, I'm going to have some loss in this trade even if it touches 72,050, but this is for demo purpose, so it is fine. I'm just explaining the working of this tool. Here we can see 8 rupees, 8 rupees, both levels are matching. 30 rupees, 30 rupees. We can see that it is live. At same time, same prices are seen at broker terminal as well as in set tool. We don't need to keep watching this trade as the trade will be automatically exited. We need a computer which has good power backup. It is connected. It is connected to power, and internet is continuously on. If internet is disconnected, then there will be a problem. But when internet is reconnected, it will start working again. I will show you that function. So if I disconnect internet, now prices are not changing. Again, I have refreshed broker terminal. I did not click on refresh, and we can see that it has already reconnected. It is changing the prices. It has shown 27 rupees. So we don't need to reconnect this. We don't need to refresh this page. It will automatically get connected once internet is back. Always keep one alternate internet connection active so that if one connection is gone, second one will be working. If you can use this on AWS like Amazon Web Server, Windows, then it will be more useful. Then there will not be any downtime. The price is around 72,150. My stop loss is 160, which is just arbitrary stop loss. And if it touches it, I am not worried because this is demo purpose trade. But if we see here, 72,160 is triggered and it will exit. Till now, it has not exited the trade. There is some error in this system right now, and it is as I told you, this is just getting developed. This is in final stages, and I have come across this error. The live testing has just started. I am showing you first demo of it. So here trade did not execute itself, and I need to manually exit it. If I click on exit all, it has ended the trade. We can see position, all positions are exited. Here in broker terminal also trade is exited. It is no more active. Now I will have to contact my developer for this program, and he will do the necessary changes so that it can get exited. So that's all about set tool. Thank you for watching this video. I'll come back again and I will show you the function when it starts working. Right now it is not available because it is under development. I'm not giving it to anyone because it is risky. I don't want to risk anyone else's money. Thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Keep coming back for more videos. Thanks for watching Price Action with Prashant.